welcome to our Grade 3 English e-learning. This is our lesson video number 1 for the week 3 of June 2021. Let's start our lesson. We are now on Unit 7 and the title of our unit is Places to Go. Get your student book and turn to page 57. Get your student book and turn to page 57. We are now on lesson 2, and on lesson 2 we will focus on grammar, and for this lesson we will learn the adverbs of frequency. Again, get your student book and turn to page 57. Let's learn the adverbs of frequency. Let's start our lesson. What is adverbs of frequency? We use some adverbs to describe how frequently we do an activity. We use some adverbs to describe how frequently we do an activity. Today we will learn 3 adverbs of frequency. So let's start. What is frequency? Frequency will tell us how many times or the percentage that we do a certain activity. So for example, here we have 100%. So let's compare that one to an adverb. Okay? So we will learn first the adverb of frequency, always. So if it's always, then it's 100%. Always 100%. Okay? So don't forget that one. When you say always, it's 100%. Okay? And we have here an example sentence. We always go to the sports center. We always go to the sports center. Now look at our sample sentence. Where is our adverb of frequency? Where is our adverb of frequency? Yes, always is our adverb of frequency. Very good. Let's learn another adverb. If it's 50%, the adverb of frequency that we use is sometimes. Okay? Sometimes. If it's sometimes, the frequency is 50%. Okay? Our example sentence here is, I sometimes go to the library. I sometimes go to the library. Where is our adverb of frequency? Yes, sometimes. This is our adverb of frequency. So we learned always. Always means 100%. Sometimes 50%. Now let's learn one more adverb of frequency. This one is 0%. That means you don't do it at all. Then our adverb of frequency for that is never. That means you never do it. Never. Okay, and our example sentence is, she never goes to the shopping mall. She never goes to the shopping mall. Where is our adverb of frequency? Yes, never is our adverb of frequency. Very good. Again, what are the 3 adverbs of frequency that we have just learned? Always, sometimes, and never. Very good. Now, where can we find the adverb of frequency? Or if we write it in a sentence, where do we put the adverb of frequency? What is the position of the adverb of frequency in the sentence? An adverb of frequency goes before a main verb. Okay, it goes before a main verb. So for example here, first is we have our subject. From our example number 1, we. Okay? So our subject is we. After the subject, we add the adverb of frequency. Okay? And we use here always. So, subject, okay? Subject plus the adverb of frequency plus our main verb. Go to the sports center. So where is our verb here? Our verb is go. Okay? So verb is an action word. That means it's moving. Okay? It's an action. So you have to look for the verb. So adverb of frequency goes before a main verb. That means subject first plus the adverb of frequency plus the main verb. Let's look at another example. Okay? Subject. This is our example sentence number 2. I plus the adverb of frequency sometimes plus the main verb go to the library. So where is our main verb? Go. Very good. And what is our adverb of frequency? Sometimes. Yes. And what is our subject? I. Good job. Okay, let's look at another example. Again, subject, she plus our adverb of frequency, never, plus our main verb. Goes to the shopping mall. Where is our main verb? Goes. Good job. And what is our adverb of frequency? Never. And what is our subject? She. All right. Good. Now, let's try the grammar exercise on your student book. This is exercise number 3, read and circle. So we will find there always. Okay, if you see 2 checks, that means it's always. If you see 1 check, that's sometimes. And if you see an X, that means it's never. Okay, so let's try number 1. Number 1, Billy never always rides his bike to school. So what adverb of frequency do we use here? So look at our clue. Okay, we have a clue here. Billy never always rides his bike to school. The correct adverb of frequency that we use here is yes, always. So we circle always. Good. Number 2, they never sometimes watch TV. They never sometimes watch TV. What is our adverb of frequency? Yes, never. Very good. So just look at the clue. Okay. So circle never. Number 3. Tom sometimes always takes photos. Tom sometimes always takes photos. What is our adverb of frequency here? It's yes, sometimes. Very good. So we circle sometimes. And number 4, Mom sometimes never listens to music. Mom sometimes never listens to music. Which adverb of frequency should we use here? Very good. The correct answer here is sometimes. So we circle the word or the adverb sometimes. Wow! All right, very good. So we will continue our grammar lesson on our next lesson video. So this is all for our adverb of frequency on the adverb of frequency lesson. On our next lesson video, we will focus on the prepositions of time. We will learn how to use in or when to use in, on, and at. All right? Okay, very good working grade 3. See you on our next lesson video. Goodbye and thank you for watching.